elections all across Texas.
So there are hundreds of municipal and school district elections all across the state, and that includes votes for mayors in many cities, along with city council seats, school board trustees, bond issues. There are other local issues being decided as well. And Dan Godwin joins us with more. Dan, good morning.
Well, good morning, Lauren. Early voting, always a great way for citizens to make their voices heard in as convenient way as possible. We are at one of the early voting sites in Collin County, the Haggard Library here in Plano. Balloting will get underway at this location starting at 8 a.m. this morning. Now, among the major items on ballots across North Texas, there are contested mayor's races in the 5 biggest cities in our area other than Dallas: Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, and Irving. There are several city bond elections being held. The city of Plano has $224 million in bonds in 6 different propositions. Much of it is for streets and park improvements. There's also a request for $3.5 million to preserve the oldest surviving home in the city. Arlington has a $45 million bond for an adult rec center. Dalworthington Gardens, Westworth Village, and Levon also have bond issues. Now, early voting in Texas runs from this morning through Tuesday, May 2nd. Early voting sites will be open this Saturday and Sunday as well. Election day itself, as Tim mentioned, Saturday, May 6th. Now, we've got more information about voting sites, dates, and times when they will be open at our website. Just go to fox4news.com. Reporting live in Plano, Dan Godwin on Good Day.